I am offering you a unique opportunity to own your own Portabote with a track record attesting to its durable strength.
Portabotes are famous for their near-indestructability. Made from incredibly tough polypropylene plastic, you can treat a Portabote in ways that would destroy other boats. Drag it up a beach, hit rocks, drop it off a quay. Your Portabote will just shrug it off. It folds down flat to a package that's only about 100 millimeters thick and easy to transport. They are incredibly tough and have now been in production for over 50 years. This revolutionary folding boat was designed to make your outdoor adventures easier and more exciting than ever. With its innovative foldable design, this boat is incredibly portable and convenient, allowing you to take it anywhere your adventure takes you.
I purchased this Portabote from an American adventurer who explored the wilds of Alaska catching salmon. Initially, I used the Portabote for catching more than 1,700 Dungeness crabs in the inland harbors and waterways of Oregon State in the USA before shipping it back to South Africa in 2008. The 5 horsepower outboard and 2x10 litre fuel tanks, etc. were purchased when the Portabote arrived in South Africa, and since then has been used exploring the entire length of Lake Kariba, including most navigable stretches of the Zambezi up to the Barotse Plains in Zambia, as well as exploring both the Umgazana and Tafufu rivers on the Wild Coast, plus local waters in KZN. I have always been able to assemble and launch the boat alone with no assistance, but am now 81 years old and regrettably no longer able to handle the assembly and launching of the boat alone. The Portabote has not been used since the Honda's last service last year, see copy of invoice, and will be good for many more hours of service. The entire package consists of the Portabote, 5 horsepower Honda outboard, electric stalker, 2x10 litre fuel tanks, 2x life jackets, paddles, etc., which can be viewed in Pietermaritzburg at the following address.